Today we're going to be showing you how to paint a refrigerator.
Make sure you do some stretches before this so you don't pull a hammy.
And we're going to turn it as your chalkboard to cover up some of this damage.
I'm a seasoned professional.
Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be showing you how to paint a refrigerator. We're going to be using chalkboard paint, and we're going to turn this ugly white fridge that has been scuffed up when we moved, and we're going to turn it as your chalkboard to cover up some of this damage. We are not professionals. We are showing you how we did it, not how the professionals would do it, because to be honest, I don't even know if the professionals would do it this way. But this is the way we're doing it, and let's hope it works. We picked up some chalkboard paint. We picked up a little tiny weenie roller that came with a tray. We got some wood, and when we got it back home, Mike angled it. Mitered it. He mitered it, and it was an angle. And then we stained it. So we wanted to put a frame around it to make it look more put together. This all was under $20, so it's very, very cheap and budget friendly, and it's going to look amazing. So we're going to get into the video, and let's start it.
Alright, so we're going to mark it off so that we can remove the frame and know where we need to stop with the paint.
Right there?
Yeah. Make sure you do some stretches before this so you don't pull a hammy. Oh my goodness, I'm going to fall. I'm going to fall.
What's going on?
I'm going to fall. That's what's going on. Now I just dropped the pencil.
Okay, I should hold that.
I got it. No, I got it, Becca. I'm a seasoned professional.
Do I need something to mix this with?
Probably shake it up.
Okay.
Shake it really good. You can also have them shake it over at Lowe's for you.
They do that. It's like free.
Yeah.
Totally free. Unbelievable, right?
This is probably good.
Also, you have to be wearing a shirt that you're not afraid to get paint on.
Did you pack the flashlight, the blanket, and the map? It's a real adventure, the trail you're looking at. I'm glad you came. For a while I thought you might be bailing. Is that the same yellow shirt you used to wear? But 1,000 years seem like almost no time now. This guitar right here, do you still remember how I played for you? I was scrappy, but you sang along, and I thought you knew I could die to keep you near. We've got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got
Rolling, rolling on the refrigerator. Rolling on the refrigerator.
nothing on you tonight. I don't need to go over old and useless words.
Once we put another coat or two, hopefully one, it'll flatten out and even out.
Okay. I trust you.
I'm a professional. Professional chalkboard painter. I'm a chalkboard painter from way back. Okay, most interesting part of the whole video. Watching paint dry. As you can see, we have the first coat on. It's time for round 2, coat number 2, second coat. About to go down, right now.
We could get back to this, catching up what we missed, or we could just relive that summer night.
Is it covering up pretty nicely on the
Yes.
second coat, Becca?
It is.
When I tell you, hey.
Can we just stop pretending that you are a professional painter for 5 seconds?
I never said professional painter. I said professional chalkboard painter.
Oh, that's
Chalkboard
different. That's
painter.
different. Okay, before we go any further, you guys have to like and subscribe or the video will not play anymore. Do it. Do it.
Got a fire in the tent. It's 5:30 a.m. Let's be the kids who left, get in trouble again. That stuff's got nothing on you. That was brand new, still it's got nothing on you tonight.
So what's it called? Isn't even under the fridge.
Oh.
The drop cloth?
Baby, I'm so good. I don't need no drop cloth.
Something I can never be without, yeah. I'm in your command. Thought I wasn't.
We've got it all painted. It took 3 coats of paint, but it looks fantastic. We're gonna go ahead and get the frame fastened now. We are gonna use some E6000, and to hold it on, we're gonna use some hot glue. We've never done this before, and hopefully it works out. We'll find out right now.
You're gonna watch us put this whole thing on there. It's gonna take me about half an hour, so sit tight. Grab a snack or use the bathroom real quick.
What do I every time you call my name? What do I you're whipping me into madness. I try to lay low, but I can never stay away.
And this stuff, don't worry about it. Washes off with soap and water. Some gentle detergent.
We can't stop it. So I keep on rolling in silence. So I keep on rolling in silence. I find myself apologizing when you've started it. Why? Under a spell. I really wonder how did it come to this? Go see my friends, but then I realized they're all your friends. Is this who I am? You see me running around in circles, feeling so sweet, but
Hopefully it's
Okay, so we're finally done with it. I would recommend if you guys try this project that you use something other than the glue, because we did have a little bit of trouble with that. Maybe some command strips or something like that, something that's made for holding heavier things. But this is what it looks like. We have some tape still going across the top just to make sure that the glue is going to stick. I really, really love it, you guys. This came out so awesome. So this is actually put up in my little coffee bar area. My coffee bar goes right where I'm standing. So to go along with this, our next video is going to be an Easter coffee bar, and that's going to be a really fun one. You won't want to miss it. I wanted to also remind you guys that if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to help us reach our goal of 1,000. And we will see you guys on our next video. And that was overacted and dramatic. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye.
I see a sky with a reindeer car, but I'm not running. I see a train moving all too fast, but I'm not.
This is a rather old bottle of E6000, so it's not exactly easy to get on the bottle.
I think you got this. Oh, give us a thumbs up and don't spit when you say stuff. Give it all you got.
I'm giving it all I got, Captain. One little dent in masking tape. It's all over. Game over. Take care of your masking tape.
This is a public service announcement.
Yeah. What are you doing?
Okay, that didn't work. I tried to go under. I tried to go over into the camera.
Come on, what are you doing? Are you trying to pick something up? Are you ready to do this?
I'm doing it.
Are we going to do the project?
I'm doing it, huh?
Is this your new project?
I'm scared.
Sorry. I didn't mean to screw you with the masking tape.
That's it. Our whole entire YouTube career is over.
She's a doofus.
We are showing you how we did it, not how the professionals. No.
Oh my goodness, look at this.
Baby, just let me do it.
Baby, I've already got it all over my hands. I might as well be the one.
You have to walk around like that.
Walk around with it. I'm on my husband's using 6,000. Now I have to walk around like this.
You have them on the right feet.
New shoes, JJ? Hi. And we'll see you guys on our next video. Bye. Oh. Oh, okay, I'm done.